Hey guys. Sorry, I have the hiccups right now. It is so annoying. Uh, like I was saying, it is so annoying. And yeah, so yeah, sorry about that, but they've they've not stopped all day. But anyway, I've got glasses and I've been sick for like a week and ah, oh my god, I'm going to rip my hair out. It this has been happening all day. Like, yeah. Most annoying thing in the world, having the hiccups. Uh, uh. But anyway, um, I'll be making vid a video soon. Um, hopefully, hopefully I'm not like one of those people that gets the hiccups for like 6 weeks and then yeah, 'cause that would be awful. Like, yeah, whenever I get the hiccups, like I'll end up swallowing a hiccup. It is strange, strange, and then like my chest will start hurting and like yeah because like I don't know something happens where like I don't know my chest starts hurting when I get the hiccups. But anyway, sorry I haven't been, been making videos a lot. I've been really busy making a book for my friend. She's asking me how to draw wolves. She's going to make me a book on how to draw people because my people fail. Like, hang on. I need an example for this. Like, yeah. I was in a good... Holy shit, that's bright. Okay, maybe I won't show you. I don't know what is wrong with my camera right now. It is just showing things so brightly. Like, yeah, it shouldn't be that bright. I've turned down the brightness, but I'm too lazy. But anyway, yeah, I should be doing another video soon. Hopefully, I'll finally figure out what to do with my channel. Got turned around. Cause that's just really hard to find out when you're first starting out on YouTube. You just don't know what to do, and it's hard to figure out what to do. And yeah, um, so yeah, I look extremely. Uh, that one hurt a lot. Okay, I look extremely pale today. Okay, I'm gonna go because I'm probably annoying you with my hiccups. I'm so sorry, but I just thought I should do a kind of update thing before, I lose my one subscriber. My only subscriber. Ugh. Uh, but yeah, thanks for subscribing, Derpy Who's. Um, I haven't checked on my channel in a while, so I might have more than one, or I might have zero. Yeah, yeah, I'm used to losing a lot of subscribers and followers on Twitter, and yeah. But yeah, um, I've just, I've also been busy. I've, um, well, what's been going on is my boyfriend is coming next month. Like, yeah, I'm one of those weirdos that just online dates for no apparent reason. And I finally got in a 6 month relationship, which has been just amazing. And he's coming here next month. I have no idea when. I am freaking out because I'm like, oh my god. Just, yeah. My lips look green. I had a piece of cake earlier. Yeah. But, yeah. Um, thank God I have a good metabolism. Um, yeah. I have a good metabolism, but my mom's genetics, they like gave me this horrible whale body of like just horribleness and fat and stuff. But at least I'm losing weight, which is good. But yeah, I just realized my head looks tiny. That's never good. Yeah, yeah, there's something weird going on. Like my head looks tiny in this video. Okay. Oh god. Okay. I'm going to shut the hell up because I have the hiccups. I should be playing Fable and accidentally scaring the hell out of people because I just memorized the. Okay. Am I the only one that does this? I memorize the controls for one game. Like, I was playing Fallout 3 because I'm just too cheap to buy Fallout New Vegas. It, I, re I really want to play it, but I only have like $5 right now. Yeah, what a great allowance. But anyway, um, yeah, I memorized that, and now I keep pressing B on accident, so now I'm just like shooting out fire. Oh, oh god, all the time, and I'm just scaring everyone, and that is not good in the beginning of the game. You should always scare them later, unless you want to be feared and amazingness. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to go because I'm probably annoying you. I've been rambling for like 7 minutes about, and I should probably end the video here. Hang on, I'm gonna try to show you what my crabby people look like. There, there, that is what they look like. Oh my god. Yeah, you have no idea how bad it looks. Uh, yeah. Um, I've also been considering reading creepypastas on my channel, like Mr. Creepypasta and Creepypasta Junior and Creep. I know too many. Um, yeah, but yeah, they're pretty cool. Um, yeah, huge fan of creepypastas. Um, okay, I'm gonna go now because I've been rambling for another minute, and yeah, okay. So once again, sorry I've kind of neglected my channel for a while. I'll be making more videos soon. Hopefully not off this crappy laptop that's like 2 years old. Um, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. I won't be making videos for spring break. Um, well, I might be. I, okay. My family is horrible. We never make plans. What the hell was that? Okay, I'm alone in my house right now, and I just heard something, so I'm kind of freaking out mentally. Okay, I'm gonna go get killed by a serial killer. I will see you in my next video if I survive. But yeah, okay, bye.